Where is it? Where's my baby? I can't find it anywhere, and it's so snowy outside. Did you hear a funny noise? 'Cause I keep hearing something that's making a noise and it's kind of scaring me. Yeah, I did kind of hear a funny noise. It was like this big thing, and I was trying to ignore it. Well, I don't know how long we can ignore it, 'cause look over there. I don't think he sounds very happy. I think it's a she, and I think she's sad. Maybe we should go and see. No, I wouldn't risk it if I were you. Shh, be quiet. Let's just see what's wrong with her. Okay. Oh boy, we're really in trouble now. We better run. Oh, don't be such a scaredy. There's nothing to be afraid of. Baby, 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 where are you? What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Be nice. I was looking for my baby. Oh. Okay, Mama. Okay, Mama, where did you last see the baby? At. Yeah, let's put our minds together. We can find your baby. Well, let me think. We were going to get breakfast, and we were marching along and making all our dinosaur noises, and I looked behind me, and she was gone. I don't know where she could have went. Oh, my baby is so gone. I'm going to miss her. I need my baby. What do you think we should do? 'Cause I have an idea. How about let's hide? No. Come back. I think it looks like it's sad. What do you mean? Do you think we should help it? Yeah, it looks distressed. Well, we do have the dino truck. I don't like the feeling of this. I don't know if I want to get involved, but I think she's sad about something. Why don't we go over in the dino truck and see what's going on? Come on, me first. I'm getting in. Whoa. I'm in the dino truck. Are you coming? Look, I got the panel ready. Oh, fine. You always get me involved in these things. Now, come on. I'll just follow. Let's step on it. Oh no, our dino truck. Come on, dino truck. Okay, let's go. Mama. Oh, Mama, where are you? Mama. Mama. Roar. I hear my baby, guys. I hear my baby. We'll help you. We're here to save you, baby. Come on, jump in. Here, I'll help you. You sit right here. We'll take you back to your mama. Here, we brought you your baby back. Oh, come here. You're going to be so glad to meet your mommy again. Oh, I'm so thankful. I'm so glad. I really love you, Mama. Oh, baby, I really love you. Get over here. You're not part of the moment. But they look so cute. Yeah, they do. Together again. It's so good to be helpful. Yeah, it feels so nice. I think I want to go find my own mom. Yeah, find my own mom and give her a big hug. Yeah, that would be so nice of you. Come on, love. Come on, love. Let's go home.